Hey y'all, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have partnered with Myro to bring you guys my self-care pamper routine. And this is kind of like my single mom edition, which is what I do whenever Valerie's sleeping or when she's with her dad, because I like to take some me time for myself and have myself a little bit of a pamper day. As you guys can see, I am first pouring myself a glass of wine because your girl always needs a glass of wine to kick off her self-care routine. And the kind of wine that I drink just depends on the day, but that day I decided to drink some rosé. And yeah, y'all, I'm just trying to relax. I, lit a candle to get the, vibes going, the cozy vibes going in my house. So I am feeling good and ready to get this self-care routine started. Next up, I hop into the bathroom, turn on some John Legend, and then I get ready to do my skincare routine. So you guys ask me all the time what my skincare routine is, and I feel like I show you guys a lot, but the thing about it is that my products switch so much. I just don't stick to like two products. They switch a lot. So I try to show y'all what I can, but I guess my biggest rule of thumb just in general is that I use a face wash, I exfoliate, and I use some kind of like really hydrating moisturizer or face oil or something. That's typically my rule of thumb. And then whenever I do wear makeup, I'll apply a toner. But that's pretty much it. I don't have a ton of steps. I try to keep it as simple as possible. It's just that my products will change depending on the day. So for today's routine, since it is more of a pamper day, I like to use my, more higher end products. And I am using the Colleen Rothschild brand, which is amazing. I've mentioned it before on my channel, and her products are bomb, y'all. So I'll go ahead and link everything down below. But yeah, I'm just using my face wash, exfoliating with a face mask, then I'll apply an intense hydrating face mask. So while I let that Colleen Rothschild's intense hydrating mask kind of soak into my skin, I'm gonna hop in the bath. And so typically what I'll do is I'll put a bath bomb into the tub and also do bubbles. But because this is YouTube, I'm not about to sit in the tub and take a bath. So I just went ahead and put the bath bomb in, but I left the bubbles out because I knew I would not be sitting in there. But typically I would have applied bubbles and did the whole nine. But I guess the most important part to get out of this portion of my self-care routine is that I exfoliate again all over my body. And it's just so important to me, y'all. Like, exfoliating is just important in general. It just helps to remove all that dead skin and keeps your skin, your whole entire body nice and soft. And of course, we all want that. So first, I'm using the Scentbird Mango and Kiwi Shower Scrub. And I exfoliate not just on my legs, but all over my body. Y'all are just seeing the legs portion. And then after rinsing the Scentbird shower scrub off, I like to exfoliate next with the Tree Hut Moroccan Rose exfoliator. And the reason why I do 2 rounds of exfoliating is because honestly, y'all, during the week, I only have like energy for one pamper day. I'm not a person that has like multiple pamper days in a week. It's just not me. I don't have the energy most days. So I like to double up to keep my skin nice and soft, and it does the trick. Then, of course, I take a shower, and whenever I hop out the shower, I make sure to apply my Myro deodorant. Myro delivers a naturally effective deodorant that looks as good as it smells. These deodorants are plant powered and are made with a custom blend of essential oils and barley powder that release over time to keep you fresh and dry, so no more smelly armpits. Their formula is hardworking, long lasting, with no toxic anything. So, how it works is you choose your scent and the color of your case. You get a refresh every 3 months delivered straight to your door, and you can switch scents, press pause, or stop anytime you want. I love their refillable cases and mood inspiring scents, which is the perfect way to get your day started. So, if you would like to try it for yourself and get 50% off your first order and get started today for just $5, visit mymyro.com/AliciaW and use promo code AliciaW at checkout. Again, to get 50% off your first order, visit mymyro.com/AliciaW and use promo code AliciaW at checkout. Something else I love to do for my pamper routine is to give myself an at-home pedicure. So here I am just filling up this Revlon spa pedicure with some warm water. And I'm also going to apply some tea tree oil foot soak. And y'all, this stuff is amazing. It really helps to relax my feet, especially because I'm on my feet a lot during the day. And after chasing a toddler all week long, this part is honestly necessary. So yeah, just apply it to some warm water and I bring it out to the living room. And this is kind of where I end off my pamper routine. I love this part because I will just sit on my sofa, y'all, turn on my favorite movie or my favorite show, chill out, eat some food. And if y'all have never tried eating your favorite meal like pizza or whatever you like to eat, drinking some wine and just getting yourself a pedicure all at the same time, you are missing out. Because when I tell you my life is made at this point, y'all, like it's made. So yeah, just brought some pizza in the living room. I am enjoying my pedicure, sipping on my wine, and I think I was watching Bad Boys 2 that day. So I was really in the zone and just having the best time, and I was so relaxed. And this is honestly what my self-care routine is about. It's honestly just about relaxing, clearing my mind, and honestly just not doing anything productive. Like that's my goal. Whenever I have self-care, I don't want to do a thing. After I've gotten my feet together, I polish my toes. The last step is for me to kind of do a little bit of journaling, a little bit of reflecting. Y'all know I'm all about all of that. So I turn off my TV, I let my toenails air dry, and I just start to write down my thoughts. And I always start off my journals by just writing down things that I'm grateful for. It just helps me get into a positive mindset, and then I go into reflecting on how the past week went and things like that. So that pretty much concludes my pamper routine. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, guys.